For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a gift card business can be a highly profitable venture, especially in the digital age where personalization, online convenience, and instant delivery are in demand. Gift cards are used for personal gifts, corporate incentives, and promotional campaigns, making the industry highly scalable. By utilizing free AI tools, you can create, market, and grow your gift card business without heavy upfront investment. This guide will walk you through each step of the process and explain how to use free AI solutions effectively along the way. Step 1. Define your gift card niche and business model. Decide whether you want to create gift cards for your own brand, serve other businesses as a white label solution, or create a marketplace where various brands offer digital gift cards. Narrow your focus. Do you want to target small local businesses, e-commerce retailers, restaurants, or digital services? To clarify your business model, use ChatGPT to brainstorm. Prompt example. ChatGPT, help me come up with profitable niche ideas for a digital gift card business. Suggest whether I should create gift cards for my own products, partner with local businesses, or build a marketplace model. Step 2. Conduct market research. Understanding your competitors, pricing strategies, and target customer behavior is essential. Use ChatGPT to generate a market analysis framework. Prompt. ChatGPT, create a market research plan for a digital gift card business. Include sections on customer demographics, competitor analysis, and industry trends. Use Google Trends and Keyword Planner to gauge demand and interest in gift cards within your chosen niche. You can also ask ChatGPT to interpret trends and suggest keywords. Step 3. Write a business plan. Now that you understand the market and your business model, it's time to formalize your strategy in a business plan. ChatGPT can help you create a professional document covering executive summary, product description, marketing, operations, and financial projections. Prompt. ChatGPT, write a business plan for a startup offering customizable digital gift cards for local restaurants, including all main sections such as executive summary, market analysis, operations, marketing plan, and projected financials. Edit and refine the plan using Grammarly or Hemingway Editor to ensure clarity and professionalism. Step 4. Create gift card designs and branding. Visual appeal is essential in a gift card business. Use free AI image tools like Canva with AI Magic Design or Microsoft Designer to create professional-looking gift card templates, logos, and promotional images. Prompt for Canva AI. Design a modern digital gift card template for a coffee shop. Include customizable text and branding space. For branding, use Loca's free logo maker or ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT, suggest 5 brand names and slogans for a digital gift card startup targeting small businesses. Step 5. Develop the platform or delivery system. You can either create a simple landing page to sell gift cards using tools like Card or Google Sites, or use Tilda AI Website Builder to auto-generate a web storefront. For basic no-code e-commerce, Square Online and Ecwid offer free plans that can handle digital product delivery. Ask ChatGPT. Create a content outline and homepage text for a gift card e-commerce site offering gift cards from multiple small businesses. If your business is focused on resale or affiliate models, consider using existing APIs like Tango Card for access to major brands and connect them to your website via Zapier. Basic usage is free. Step 6. Create legal policies and payment structure. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to draft policies such as terms of use, privacy policy, and refund policy. Though AI cannot replace legal advice, it can provide a solid starting point. Prompt. ChatGPT, write a basic terms of use policy for a digital gift card website. The cards are not refundable and expire in 12 months. To accept payments, link your site to PayPal, Stripe, or Square, all of which have free tiers and can support digital goods. You can also use AI to calculate your service fees and pricing tiers. Prompt. ChatGPT, help me set up a pricing model for selling digital gift cards online. Include processing fees, markup, and volume discounts. Step 7. Develop a marketing strategy. Use free AI tools to plan and create your entire marketing strategy. For content creation, ChatGPT and HubSpot's marketing plan generator are excellent options. Prompt. ChatGPT. Create a 3-month digital marketing plan for a new gift card business targeting corporate clients and online shoppers. For social media, tools like Buffer AI Assistant or predis.ai can generate and schedule posts. Ask ChatGPT, write 10 social media posts promoting digital gift cards for small businesses during the holiday season. To build an email list, use free CRM and email tools like MailChimp, free tier. Use ChatGPT to write newsletters. ChatGPT, write a welcome email for new subscribers to a gift card marketplace. Step 8. Launch and test your business. Before going live, ask ChatGPT to create a pre-launch checklist. Prompt. ChatGPT, give me a launch readiness checklist for an e-commerce site selling digital gift cards. Run beta tests by offering free or discounted gift cards to friends and early users in exchange for feedback. Use Google Forms or Typeform to collect their thoughts. Use ChatGPT to draft surveys. ChatGPT, create a short user feedback survey for testing a digital gift card platform. Step 9. Monitor performance and optimize. Use Google Analytics to track user behavior and sales performance. Feed the data into ChatGPT for analysis. Prompt. ChatGPT, help me interpret the following traffic data from Google Analytics to find out why visitors are not converting into buyers. Regularly update your product offerings and promotions. Use ChatGPT for brainstorming. Suggest seasonal campaigns for promoting gift cards in spring and summer. Conclusion. Starting a gift card business has never been more accessible thanks to the rise of free AI tools. From ideation and branding to content creation and marketing, AI can accelerate each phase of the startup journey. By leveraging tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Tilda, and others, you can keep your costs low while building a polished and scalable business. The key is to stay creative, automate what you can, and test constantly to refine your offerings. Whether you're serving local shops or building a national gift card brand, AI can be your silent co-founder in achieving growth and profitability. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.